Hello viewers, egg is a good source of protein so that we buy the eggs and cook and eat. But do you know the eggs which we buy is a fresh or a old or a rotten egg? Usually if we put a fresh egg in a glass of water, it sinks and settles at the bottom. But if we put a old or a rotten egg, it floats in the water. What is the science behind this? Let's get into this video. If you like this, please subscribe to Science Collector. Usually, egg has three main parts, that is the outer shell, the white substance and the yolk. The outer shell has at minute pores so that the atmospheric air can enter into the egg. When the hen lays an egg, it will be fresh in nature. If we eat a fresh egg, it is completely safe for our health. But if we eat an old or a rotten egg, it is unhealthy to our body. Do you know why the egg is rotten? Let's find out. I have told earlier that the eggshell has a minute pores through which the atmospheric air can enter. It is the main reason for the egg to be rotten. That is, not only the atmospheric air but also the bacteria and viruses can enter into the eggshell through the minute pores. After that, it decomposes the egg white and the yolk so that the gases will generate and lie inside the eggshell. Some of the gases can escape through the tiny pores of the eggshell. So if we put a fresh egg, the density of the egg will be more when compared to the water so that the fresh egg sinks and settles at the bottom. But if we put a rotten egg, due to the decay and formation of gases, the density of the egg will be lower, and due to the gases, the egg acts like a balloon so that if we put a rotten egg in a glass of water, it floats. It is safe to eat an egg which is maximum 3 to 4 weeks old. So next time if you try to cook an egg, try this experiment. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends to gain more knowledge. And finally, thank you for watching.